next we come to the complex Ma3B3. So in this type of complex, this one possible pair is AB, AB, AB. So A strands to B, A strands to B, A strands to B. Again, this is optically inactive. So one possible pair, and that is optically inactive. This is the next possible pair in this. A is strands to B, B is strands to B, A is strands to B. A is strands to A, B is strands to B. This is also optically inactive. So there are two geometrical isomers, and both of them are optically inactive. But for the complex Ma3B3, these geometrical isomers have a different name. If we go back to our previous possible pair, in this you will see that the AAA are together and the BBB are together. Now this complex is of this type. Don't focus on the green ones, focus on the white balls. Okay. If you see this A and this A, this A and this B, they are the above and below the plane, and this A, this B and this B, they are the ones which are on the plane. So this isomer, in this isomer, two of the same ligands are on one plane and one of the other ligands is on a different plane. So you can see it's making like one face of an octahedron, right? All of the ligands, that is three of the same ligands, are present on one face of the octahedron. So this is known as a facial isomer. In short form, it is said as FAC isomer. Now if we go to our next possible pair, in our next possible pair you can see that if we are again just focusing, we have A strands to A, B strands to B, and A strands to A. Yeah, that's A strands to A, B strands to B, and A strands to B. Again, just focus on the white ligands. Now this A and this A, they are above and below the plane. So this is above the plane and this is below the plane. And if the rest of the BB ligands, you see, all of them are on the same plane. Okay, this B and this B, all of the three ligands are on the same plane. So this is known as a meridional isomer, or in a short form it's known as the MER isomer. If you compare it with the FAC isomer, then you will be able to see in this case, in case of the FAC isomer, the three ligands, even if you talk about the green ones or the white ones, none of them, all of the three of them are not on the same plane. At least one of the ligand is on a different plane. In the case of a MER isomer, at least three of the same ligands are on the same plane. So this is the difference between a FAC isomer and a MER isomer. So the FAC isomer and the MER isomer, it is possible only in the complexes of Ma3B3 type. So now we have done the possible pair. So now next we will go to the geometrical isomerism, optical isomerism, enantiomeric pair, and your stereoisomerism.